to another Source SDK 101 tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you about the decal and the overlay tools. So we're going to create our brush, actually a couple brushes, because I'm going to make some points here. So we're going to create a couple brushes, and my mouse wheel's a little bit broken, so it's a little hard to use sometimes. Right here. So say I wanted to, first I'm going to get a wall texture and a ground texture. I'll just put this here. So say I wanted to make this wall look a little more real and add some graffiti to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit browse. I'm going to go to search for decals. Now there are tons and tons of decals that come stock with Hammer. There's blood, there's explosions, there's everything, and there are tons of decals of graffiti. So I'm just going to pick a couple here, same way you pick any other texture, except you don't want to use the texture application mode for this, or you'll get something that looks like this. Now you do not want this. So get out of the texture application tool, and now go to the apply decals tool. Now you're going to right or left click where you want your graffiti or any decal and click. Left click and it'll go right there, and it looks perfect, really good. And you can put a couple more anywhere you want. Just make the wall look a little more realistic. You can add anything. So here's my wall right there. Now I don't want to put graffiti on the floor because that'll look a little weird. Instead, I want to put some trash decals. So I'm going to search for trash. Find some, put some there. Looks pretty nice. Now there are some decals that do not seem to work very well when you use the decal tool. Let me find a quick example here. Here we'll use one of these over here. We'll pick quick texture, decal, something we wanted. I'll just go back to signs. And a couple of these will not turn out the way you want them to. Some of them will turn out extremely huge. Like this. Oh, that looks terrible. You do not want that. So what you're going to do now, there are certain decals or some things that work as overlays. Now you want to select your overlay tool, click on the ground, and you get a more reasonable size. Now with overlays, you can use decals on this too. So what you can do with an overlay is you can adjust the size of it to fit anything you want. So you can have really large paper, or you can have really small pieces of paper. And this works with anything. Any decal. So if you search for decals again, you can take this sign, this sign right here, and make that into a decal. And then I can adjust it to make it more fitting for whatever I want. So that's how you use decals and overlays. It's been another Source SDK 101 tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.